Well, the iPhone doesn't seem to like the clips there, so we might have to get a new camera that likes the weather better. So if you got any good ideas, let me know. And I might have someone edit the videos, so I'll leave the email on here. If you edit, let me know. Work out a deal, send me an email, and figure it out. Well, phone doesn't like the cold too much. See if got that all on. I'm not 100% sure if it will work that way, but well, some can, some won't. So. Maybe put a little chain tensioner off there, out there. Right, that's not very tight, I forgot, but. Well, it's been a little bit here. Been a little bit, eh? Hey. I'm not sure what, if you see the trike video or the next little thing we got here, but that's what we're working on. Here, let me flip it. I think this will be a later video because me and Cody are gonna go pick up another project today. Well, look at that. Full suspension, little rig, do some work, put that bar on there. Definitely not a bad unit. Just need to add a chain tensioner there, and doesn't like the steering too much, but if you're on ice, it don't matter. It don't matter. Shit. It doesn't like the angle either. Steering's not bad as you're going though. We're going to try to upload some more consistently again. Try to get on a groove, uploading, making videos, making projects. A little more consistent. So if you want to help the motivation, hit the thumbs up, like it, share with your friends. Appreciate it. And thanks to the Patreons. I got a couple left here. We're going to be uploading constantly, changing some stuff, maybe get some hats and some different things here and get back on the ball.